What if you could wipe a collection off your credit report overnight? Stay with me. And the truth about collections. Collections are one of the biggest drain on our credit report. They can stay up to 7 years, and even one collection can drop your score by dozens of points. 3 takeaways. First, collections freeze your borrowing power. Second, they force lenders to charge higher interest rate. Third, some companies will flat out deny if they see collections. Millions of Americans face this, and medical collections alone have blocked thousands from getting a mortgage. Ready to knock these obstacles down? Let's break the myths. The 7-year rule, myth versus reality. The 7-year rule confuses everyone. Myth, it disappears after 7 years from when you pay it. Reality, the clock starts the day you first became late, not when it went to the collection, and not when you paid. Paying the collection does not remove it. In older scoring models, paid and unpaid collections almost looked the same. Bottom line, don't waste 7 years, use disputes, validations, or negotiations to remove it early. Pay for delete strategy. If you decide to settle smart. Pay for delete is simple. You offer money if they delete the collection from your credit report. Collectors buy your debt for pennies. If you owe $1,000, they might have paid $100. Offering $300 to $400 is attractive to them. Here's the script. I found a collection from agency, whatever the name is, on my credit report. I'm ready to settle today. I can pay X amount, but today if you agree in writing to delete the entire account from all bureaus. Always get the delete promise in writing before paying. No writing is equal to no deal. Debt validation letter. Force them to prove the debt. You have the right to demand proof. Within 30 days of collection letter, send a debt validation request. Example, I requested full validation of the alleged debt for account, whatever it is. Please provide the original contract, itemized statement, and proof that you have authority to collect. It certified mail. If they don't answer with real proof, the collection must stop, and bureaus often delete it. Credit bureaus disputes step by step. Pull your report from annualcredit.com, then dispute the collections with all 3 bureaus. First, state the account. Second, explain the inaccuracy. Third, deletion request. They have 30 days to verify it. If they can't, it gets removed. Advanced strategies. Now the pro moves. First, Goodwill deletion. If you have paid it, write a polite Goodwill letter asking them to remove it. Second, medical debt hack. Medical collections under $500 or paid are already removed by most bureaus. And a new rule is pushing to eliminate all medical bills from reports. Third, insurance disputes. If insurance should have paid the bill, call them and request reprocessing. Many collections get deleted this way. Know your legal rights. You're protected by 2 laws. FCRA, bureaus must remove inaccurate or unverified information. FDCPA, collectors must stop harassing and prove the debt. You can even send a cease communication letter to stop calls. Use law, it's your shield. Real case studies. These tactics work. One 5,000 collections disappeared after one validation letter because the collector could not prove anything. Another removed $20,000 and like $30,000 and even $50,000 in collections using these methods. Scores jumped from 50 to 100 plus points when collections get deleted. Mistakes that keep collections longer. Don't fall into these traps. Ignoring the first 30 days, paying before validating, trusting phone promises, disputing everything at once, only fixing one bureau, not keeping documents. Avoid these and your removals go much faster. You now have every major tool to remove collections, disputes, validation, and negotiation. Goodwill, all of it. A collection is only permanent if you leave it untouched. Fight back and rewrite your credit story. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone fighting collections. Drop your questions or success stories in the comment. I read everyone. Check the description for free dispute letters, template, and guides. This is Finictra reminding you nobody taught us this in school, but you just learned it. See you in the next video.